Hey Mom, I'm on the news.
K. Give me a U.
U.
Give me an N.
N.
Give me an A.
A.
What's that spell?
KUNA.
Welcome to KUNA 1, 2018.
I'm Taylor.
And I'm Olivia.
We hope you are all getting as hyped as Evan Smithers.
Now let's take it to McKenna in the field.
Hi, I'm McKenna and welcome to my crib. We are now at the educational fair and things are getting crazy out here. Let's take a look. I'm here with Franklin County High School. What country are you representing and what is one fun fact about your country?
We're representing Syria, and one fun fact is that Damascus is one of the most large, continuously lived in
Cities.
cities in Syria.
In the world.
In the world.
Thanks. Hi, I'm here with
Aiden.
Isha, Yasmin, representing Russia from Elizabethtown High School. So can I get one quick fact about your resolution?
Okay, so basically, once these former USSR states have Syrian refugees, so once they choose to assimilate back into Russia, Russia's military will help protect them and give them a home. So that's why our bill is super beneficial. It's also improving their economy, and it'll help settle the former USSR states' economy as well. So it's a win-win situation.
So I'm here with University Heights Academy, representing Nigeria. What was the hardest thing about making your booth?
The hardest part about making the booth was probably the trees because of all the intricate vines and butterflies we had to put on them, and the branches as well.
Well, you gotta ask me a question.
What country do you have?
Botswana.
No, we don't. We have Guatemala.
No, we had Botswana last year though.
But this is this year. Hi, I am here with Nick Dennis, who is your...
President of the United Nations Security Council.
Okay, so what is your favorite part of your position?
I think the best part for me is getting to moderate debate. There's a lot of different viewpoints from all the different countries. Seeing people get out of their comfort zone and debate from a sort of unique perspective all together is really interesting for me. I really enjoy it.
You're here with Charles Churchill, who is your...
Deputy Secretary General.
So what is your favorite part of your position?
One of the favorite parts of my position is being able to talk to people like you in order to help make change in the world, because that's really all we're here to gather for.
And now back to Olivia and Taylor.
Wow, that was one fabulous segment, McKenna.
We hope you all enjoyed seeing the interviews she got with a few of our officers. Now back to... Hey guys!
Perfect timing.
Back to McKenna in the field.
Is anybody in here? Catherine! Hey, you want to answer some questions? So how many countries do you think are a part of the UN?
163.
192.
Close, but no. Ready?
88.
Not even close.
What? Why not? 88.
How many countries do you think are a part of the UN?
I'm gonna say 143.
How many countries are a part of the UN?
Good question.
It is.
A lot. Yeah.
How many countries do you think are a part of the UN?
Thank you.
Yes. And how many countries do you think are a part of the UN?
More than 2.
You're right. How many countries are a part of the UN?
192. I have no idea. Is that the
Alex,
answer?
it's 100.
193.
When was the UN founded?
A long time ago. I have no idea. I don't know.
The European Coal and Steel Coalition combined with the European Economic Association.
I don't know if I vote for this man.
Those two joined together 49 maybe?
Yeah, look at his tie. When do you think the UN was founded?
It was right after World War II, right? So 40, 45 or 46?
Wait.
45?
Yes!
So, you guys are the Secretariat. It is a new branch of KUNA. What do you guys do exactly?
What do we do?
Savannah?
We are somewhat equivalent to the cabinet at KYA. So we all have certain areas, like I'm over political affairs and he's over
I'm economic and social.
So we just follow around bills that have to, or resolutions that have to do with that. And we support them and we talk in committees and then we try to get other people to talk in summits.
How many people are in the secretariat group?
Let's see, we
policy.
have 5 policy and we have 2 legal.
We're policy.
We're policy.
There's 7.
If you want to do that
Technically,
math, I guess,
yes.
but it's really 5. It's really 2.
5 and 2. It's really us.
It's like 2, and then there's other 3, and then there's...
And now back to the studio.
So as this conference comes to a close, for those of you who are seniors, have you created the impact that you wanted to?
For new members, was it everything you hoped it would be?
I'm Taylor.
And I'm Olivia.
Hope you had a fun time.
See you next year.
Hi, I'm here with Claire from Beechwood High School. So Claire, what's your favorite, or what are...
Say the resolution.
Okay, we're going to another one. They're taking... I'm here with Franklin County.
This is the one. This is the one that I want. This is the one.